this is Viidakkopolku 6-C 00, which is 1000. This was completed in 2001. The real levels. It's 4 floors.
This one has nothing on it.
No, this has nothing wrong. Only one original button on one. But that's nothing wrong.
Of course not. 987132.
Yeah, 9874-132. 8 purchase of 630 grams. It's going to be inspected this year, 2019. Turning 20 years old in actually 2020.
White door has some rope on it.
Well, that's strange rope. Someone has stood inside it.
Probably it's an emergency brake.
Do you think so? No. This one only has 4 floors.
Inspected by inspector, maintained by Kel.
It looks like it only has the alarm button, not the emergency phone.
Yeah.
Strange, it didn't get it. Oh, why did they forget to put an emergency phone here?
That's